Hello traders, I'm not going to ask you how, hope you are doing well. I know what is happening in the market. Markets are irrational, right? So that is the thing we have been telling. We cannot do anything about that. But even though I was bearish, I was not expecting such a big gap down. And after the gap down also, Nifty fell around 200 or 300 points. From Friday's close, which was around 17,000, we are sitting somewhere around 16,550 levels. So that's around 2.5% drop in Nifty in just one trading session, or 500 points drop in Nifty. And if you see the Bank Nifty, 1,200 points. And you know what is the reason? You know, US markets are very damaged. It's in trouble. It's Dow future is deeply in the red. European markets are also in the red. Chinese, so all over the world markets are in the red. So there are two reasons for this panic selling. One is the increase of Omicron variant of coronavirus, which is increasing in Europe and North America. So countries like Netherlands, German are putting a lockdown, full lockdown in their country. So that is the one reason. And another reason, when we were in our holidays, so there was a bad news in US. There was a bill called Build Back Act in US. So that's a 2.5 trillion bill which was proposed by US President Joe Biden, and I think last week of November, it was passed in the House of Representatives. Now when it came to Senate, so you know, Democrats have 51 and Republicans have around 50, around 50-50 they are having, and one vote is Vice President Kamala Harris vote. So now this, when it came to Senate, once it was passed in House of Representatives, when it came to Senate, a Democrat called Senator called Joe Manchin from West Virginia opposed the bill. So Democrat President Joe Biden brought a bill, and a Democrat from West Virginia, a senator from a Democrat party, doesn't want to pass this bill. He doesn't want to vote for this bill. So if even if one Democrat is not voting for the bill, it will not be passed in the Senate. So if it is not passed, it is not going to be live, right? So this is the problem. Once this happened, it's not a small bill, it's around $2.5 trillion bill. So it works on the economy, social security, this healthcare. So it's going to increase the economy, or it is going to give a boost to the economy. So once this Joe Manchin doesn't want to vote for the bill, Goldman Sachs wasted no time. Immediately they came out and they reduced the US economy growth GDP for trajectory for the future. So once this happened, you know what will happen? Dow futures started falling. At one point of the time, today morning, it was down by around, if I could be correct, around 550 points or 600 points. Now it has stabilized. It is down by 350 points, but today morning around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, it was down by 600 points. And you know what will happen if Dow futures fall? It is a mother market. European markets also fell, and we will also fall. So that's what is happening, right? So this is an irrational thing. Omicron is, I can understand, but this Build Back Act bill, which is not passed in US, why should we worry about that, right? So this is how markets stumble all over the world, and people started selling as if there is no tomorrow. What can I say? Even though I was bearish, I was very surprised. I thought market will slowly inch towards downside, but seeing this gap down and this fall, 250 point fall, is really very much, I don't know how to say it or how to describe it. And I'm sure FIIs would have not sold much, or they would have sold around less than 3,000 crores. because this is fully panic of retailers. That's what I think. And DIs would have bought, but the very little quantity. Maybe second half of the trading session they would have bought in very small quantity. So looking at all these things, I can tell you only one thing: these are all irrational movements which we have to bear with the market. There is no other option, right? So looking at the markets, what I can see is, if you see, there is a good support at 16,500. So there was, on the second day of the trading session, people were kind of writing 16,500 call option. Even though we don't know how market is going to react tomorrow, for now, for the time being, 16,500 could act as a support going forward. And when we come to the charts, if you see this, the trend line is being respected now. So there are possibilities. We have to see the US market today, how it is going to react. If it is stable, we might go an inch up towards 17,000, or still if the market is very volatile, we may again, we are not going to gap down, but the markets are going to stabilize, I think. So that's what I think. Personally, what I think is, market is going to stabilize now. You don't have to worry, don't panic, just stay calm. And whatever happened today, in spite of all these scenarios, you have to remember that India VIX shooted up around 11 or not 11 or 12%, around 16%. But that was a good, what to say, even though Nifty fell 500 points, India VIX never moved above 20. So that's, you can think that is a good thing. So going forward, I think market should stabilize. This is irrational thing, and this is just a panic selling. You don't have to worry, market will revert. And hopefully, if we stabilize, we should see 17,000. As of now, I'm not talking about 1 month or 2 months or 1 week or 2 weeks. For the time being, market 16,500 is on the downside, is a support, and on the upside 17,000 is the support. So I don't have to tell you about the stocks and everything. Everywhere people were selling all kind of thing. So nothing much. So this is the main reason for this panic selling. So we should be stabilizing, as I told you, we should be stabilizing in case markets, US markets are positive. Already US markets have recovered. So we should be stabilizing. So nothing much. That's it for today. And take care. Bye. Thank you.